Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today we want to make an off-shoulder sleeve for this corset top. So this is how it will look. So I just want to show you the easiest way to make your Ankara pattern cuts out. So you just cut out your pattern from your fabric, then you iron paper stay to read, that is, yeah, paper stay to read. Then you cut out your lining piece, then you get your gum. Okay, you can use any fabric gum of your choice. So you just apply gum on your pattern, then you cover it up with the lining. So this is actually the easiest way to go about this. Normally after cutting out your pattern, you have to like stitch your lining. But this very one, you're just going to gum it. So that iron is actually not hot. Just to press apply pressure on the fabric so that the gum will stick. Now I'm just going to cut out the lining, the excess lining. You can see how clean it is at the back here without us having to cut and start turning it. So now I'm going to use my lighter to smoothen out the edges, and by so doing, the fabric and the lining would stay permanently together, because the fire from the lighter will just merge them up, okay, and the edges will be so clean. So this is how to simply just go about it, and you have your patterns looking very nice and beautiful. And you can see on the other side, see how clean it is. So I've cut out my patterns for my sleeve. For each sleeve I need two patterns. Okay, so this is an off-shoulder sleeve, and I've also made a video on this channel on how to make your off-shoulder strap sleeve. So I'm just going to use these patterns and then place them on my off-shoulder strap sleeve. Okay, so I'm also going to make it detachable so that you can remove the sleeve if you want to, and you can wear the corset like that. So this is just the strap sleeve. So the length of the sleeve is just the length that I minused from my yoke. Okay, so I'm just going to place the pattern like this on the strap sleeve. So I'll just arrange it nicely, then I'll hold it with pin for now, though I'll be stitching it to the strap sleeve. I'm just holding it with pin to see what it will look like. Okay, so you can see what we have at the back. Now I will just set it on my corset. So this is the armhole area, so I'm just going to set it, and this is how I want to place it because it's going to be detachable. So I'm just like trying to see how I would place it so it to relax. Then I'll be using velcro. Okay, so I'll be attaching velcro to it. So some call this magic gum. So you can see this velcro. So I'll be attaching the smooth side on the corset, just at the inner part of the corset. So I'll be attaching it to the lining. It's not going to get to the front side. That is, like, the stitch will not get to the front. So I'll just stitch it there with my hand needle and thread to the lining. So bear in mind that this is the smooth part, because this side will be touching your skin if you're not wearing the corset with the yoke. Okay, so that is how it's going to be. So on this side now, I'll place the rough part of the velcro. Okay, so this is where this one would be, so that by the time I fix it to the corset, the both of them would just meet there, and that is it. So this is how I actually made it detachable. So in case I want to wear it with the sleeve, I can wear it, and if I don't want it with the sleeve, I'll just simply remove the sleeve. So this is simply it. Okay, so this is just how to make your detachable off shoulder sleeve. So for the neckline, I just did the same thing I did for the pattern. Iron my paper stay, gummed my lining to it, and then I stitched it to the neckline. So I'm just going to embellish this corset with beads and the trims from lace. Okay, so I'm going to use beads to cover up this part that I stitched that neckline. And this is the final look. Hope you like this video. Please give it a like, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be among those that will be notified. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I would love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed.